Hey guys, it's Jasmine and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a full glam makeup tutorial. As you can see, full face as beat makeup. If you guys want to see how I created this look, continue watching, and yes, we'll get right to it. Okay, so first I'm going to be spraying my face with the Bear With Me, the Prime Set and Refresh spray from NYX. Okay, so next I'm going to be starting off with my eyebrows. I'm going to be using the NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil in the shade of Black. Y'all, don't mind this right here. I burned myself when I was waxing my own eyebrows. So the concealer I'm going to be using is from LA Girl Concealer, Pro Concealer, in the shade of Creamy Beige. Okay, so before I get into my eyes, I am going to prime my face. I'm going to be using the Hydro Grip Primer by Milk Makeup. Okay, so now that my primer had dried on my face, I'm going to put concealer all over my dark spots. I'm going to be using the Pretty Vulgar primer for the eyes. So this is the primer that I'm using. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using the James Charles palette. And the shade I'm going to be using is this orange right here. This tan orange right here. This pink right here. I'm gonna be using the James Charles palette again, and I'm going to be going in with this one. I'm gonna be using it on my outer corner. It. I'm gonna be using the same palette, and I'm gonna go back in with the pink. I'm gonna be using my Ruby May glitter palette. Oh, this is just messy, but I'm gonna be using this color right here. Am I though? Or am I gonna use the other color? I'm gonna be using this color too, and I'm gonna be using this right here. Okay, I'm gonna be using my NYX glitter primer. It's literally gonna make it stay on there. Okay, so I'm gonna be using NYX Vivid Brights in the shade of yellow. Guys, my camera turned off. So the foundation that I'm gonna be using is by Naked. So now I'm going to take my KKW Beauty contour stick and I'm going to contour my face. So I'm going to be mixing my concealer with the LA Pro concealer and the Jeffree Star concealer. So I'm gonna set my face with the Huda Beauty Banana Bread setting powder. I'm gonna be using the Dream Blend banana powder on top of this. Just only on the eyes so it can brighten up a little bit. Just a little bit. Now for bronzer, I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty. Guys, my camera turned off again, but I charged it fully this time and shit. So let me just continue going and finish my face. So before I finish doing my eyes, I'm going to use this. This is actually a lip injection by Too Faced, and I'm gonna apply it because I want my lip to look bigger when I put on my, you know, lipstick. So yeah. I am in love with this gloss. So I'm gonna be taking my Jumbo Eye Pencil by NYX in the shade of white. I'm taking the orange from the James Charles palette and I'm gonna blend it under my eye. Bitch, I look good. Okay, now before I put on my highlight, I like to set my face. Oh, by the way, I'm using the Bear With Me primer thing, setting shit, whatever. Okay, now for highlight. I'm gonna be using my Morphe times Batman Rock Babe in Paradise palette. My favorite palette. I'm gonna dab it in these three. And I'm gonna spray it. I spray everything. Trust me, if you do this method, you will never regret it. You're gonna love it. Instead of, you know, putting it like tap it and then put it on like that dry as fuck, it's just not it. So try it with the spray. I promise you, it's gonna look different. Wait till it dries though a little bit, just like a little bit. Look at that. That's, yo, that's what I'm telling you. Spray it. Zun. I'm using this one now. I'm gonna use this this CoverGirl Professional Natural Lash Gel, but I'm gonna use it for my eyebrows. I did good on my eyebrows, like waxing it. Let me see if we'll focus on that at least. These two. I know I'm not that good in doing makeup, but I look good. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Guys, I want to apologize because I feel like this video is a hot mess. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and share and all that, you know. Support your girl. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also click the notification button. Thanks for watching. Bye.